You ready for this? Let's take a walk into the Abstract Sculpture Park and see how progress is going. I'll try not to talk too much. We'll let the natural sounds of nature I'll try to go slow. I'm probably going to do this in several shorts. This is the entrance. At least there are two ways to get in, but as I've been trying to think of the layout and the stuff that I want to do, the latest edition is right there. I'll get a better look of it here too, but I think it could have come out a little bit nicer, but it's only been planted for like a week. You know what, maybe 5 days, I don't know. It hasn't been planted that long. Rhododendron had a tough winter, but it is blooming. I am going to do something to, I don't know, I gotta, I guess, ask permission. I don't own the property, but I'd like to do something here at the bridge, like right there, like some kind of entry, not arbor, but archway, entry, kind of something or other. Geez, I'm just barely getting over the bridge and we're over 2 minutes into this. This might take a while. There may be many of these. I will title them. If you have something to say or you got an opinion, please share it. I prefer positive comments over negative comments, but if all you got to say is something negative, you know, that's what you got to do. That's one of the old timers sculptures. There's a bunch of his stuff in here. Just planted that last week. It's doing pretty well. I wasn't sure if the marigold, I'm not supposed to be talking, but I'm not sure the marigolds will get enough light. But all right, I'm Rustic Guy. Thanks for watching.